Hey girlfriend, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with soaking wet hair. I'm doing another hair paint wax video. We doing red today. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get alerts. Also, if you've been here for a while, make sure you hit that bell too so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I know sometimes YouTube be skipping folk and we don't want any of that happening over here. So I'm gonna dive right in because I don't want my hair to dry up too much. I shampooed and conditioned with Andre Walker and I did a video on that a couple of weeks ago. You guys can click that video right here in the info card. This is my second time trying hair paint wax. The first time I tried gold. I did a twist out. I applied it on top of product and I got a ton of flaking. Now, a lot of you guys told me that the key to avoiding that flaking is to apply the wax with no product, not even a leave-in. And I was like, sis, not even a leave-in? And y'all was like, yeah, Brosia, not even a leave-in. Just put it on your hair, okay? So the only thing I'm gonna worry about today is keeping my hair nice and wet because that's another thing. They were like, boo, your hair was way too dry. And I'm like, I have a mist bottle and I'm missing my hair constantly. The instructions say to apply on damp hair, and I guess I need to go ahead and apply on soaking wet hair. Type 4 problems. This is the wax up close. If you guys watched the previous video, then you know that it's pretty thick. Has the same smell. Smells like a man's armpit. Smells like shaving cream or deodorant or something. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and split my hair in half. I'm going to part it from ear to ear and I'm gonna start in the back. I never do wash and go, so I took a poll on Instagram and you guys voted for wash and go, so that's why I'm doing it. Your vote really matters. So I'm taking a bit on my hands and I mean, I'm not really sure how much I will need, but I'm just gonna work it through and try not to use too much because also they say when you use way too much, you get flaking. I feel like the color isn't really showing up all that vibrant. See, I feel like they want you to do it on damp hair because I feel like it sticks better on damp hair. So work on pieces so I don't have a whole bunch of frizz because I got a feeling I'm just gonna be a red cotton ball. So I'm gonna detangle each piece and then apply it. And by the way, I'm using the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I love this brush. But yeah, I think I'm getting better results just using my fingers. Yeah, I'm seeing more definition. So not only am I like worried about the color, I want my curls to be somewhat defined. I'm gonna work this side in some more. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed on through. It doesn't really look red. I'm not mad at it though. This is a wax, so it's gonna define your hair a little bit more, like had I used a product or like a curl cream or something. And it may even do a better job at defining because it is a wax and a wax is heavier. Heavier product will define the curl more because it's weighing down that curl and elongating it. I'm just trying to explain to you guys a little bit. You may know, I know, I'm sure you guys know it, but someone out there may be like, oh, okay. I feel like it's actually looking a little bit more defined as I go on because my hair is drying a little bit more. Yeah, like I don't think you should put it on drenched hair. Just make sure the hair is wet. Not soaking wet, but wet. Because when it's soaking wet, it just doesn't seem to stick. And I'm looking down, it's not a mess or anything anywhere, it's not slinging all over the place. So, not too messy. I'm just separating it where the hair naturally wants to like separate. I actually really like it so far. And I have never had my hair dyed red. Like even when I was relaxed and I would get my hair bleached, like I've never gone red. It's always been like honey blonde. So this is really fun to me. I think applying it as a wash and go is a lot easier because you can actually gauge how much product you need based on like the way your hair is looking. I think it's so much easier. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Show me some love if you want to see more videos like this, because I really appreciate it. And plus it really helps me figure out what content to do more of and what to put on the back burner. So that is it. That's the application as a wash and go. I feel like it was easier. It may be because I feel like I have a little bit of experience under my belt. I knew what to expect. And then with the help of you guys out there that gave me some tips, I knew to go in with wet hair, or I realized wet doesn't necessarily work because it doesn't stick on the hair. So I knew to keep the hair nice and damp. Like there's a sweet spot, an in-between spot between wet and drying that you need to stay in when you're applying hair paint wax, or what is it called? Hair wax paint. Hair paint wax. Hair wax paint. Hair paint wax. Hair paint wax. Hair wax paint? Hair paint wax. And then I don't have any other product in my hair. I shampooed, I conditioned, I thoroughly washed the conditioner out of my head before applying. I did not apply a leave-in, I did not apply any other type of moisturizers, and the shampoo and conditioner that I use is the Andre Walker line, and I did a thorough review / demo on that product line in a previous video. I will link it in this video and also down below in the description. I chose to wash my hair with that line again today because it's extremely moisturizing. Even the shampoo is moisturizing, and this isn't even sponsored. That's some good stuff. So check out that video after this video if you are interested. All right, you guys, I wanted to come back. It's about, I don't know, I'd say it's about 3 hours since I finished my hair, and it feels pretty dry for the most part, but I know there's still a little bit of moisture in the root. But I wanted to give you guys like a final look at the color and the definition. Just like last time, there is a bit of that crunchy feeling, but I don't think that it's any different from like your wash and go when you've used like a gel or something. I actually do like this wash and go. I typically do not like wash and goes, but my hair seems to be quite defined. I'm really happy with it. So here's the back. They think we really out here dyeing our hair, and we're not even doing that. We're not even damaging it. Which do I like better, twist out or wash and go? If I tried another wax color, I would definitely just do a wash and go because I like it. I like the results. It's really pretty. And so far, I don't see any like flaking off. Nothing is falling on my shoulders. I think the trick really was to just not put any other product on aside from the wax, because I mean wax is like a styler as well. So let me know how you feel about it. I'm curious to see what y'all think. Thumbs up this video and pass it along to a friend, especially if she has had heat damage and is opposed to color like I am, or maybe she's thinking about coloring her hair and you need to stop her right in her tracks and be like, sis, don't do that, because you're gonna regret it later. I've not run into a natural that has colored their hair that's like, I've never had any type of damage, my hair didn't change. Usually those are the ones in denial. No shade and no offense if you really don't feel like your hair texture changed or the health of your hair changed. Maybe you haven't had the coloring long enough, but it changes. I feel like the hairpin wax did good as a wash and go. I would definitely do it again. Comment below if you want to see another video, or if you're just done with the videos and you're like, sis, we don't need any more. If you do want to see another video, let me know what color you want to see.
Color. Another color, sis. Another color.
What color do you think?
I don't know.
You know you scared me when you did that.
Carry on.
Do another color.
Do another color.
So yeah, it looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
He like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye.